You can love someone and still feel the connection quietly getting dusty around the edges. First, the tiny missed bids for attention that look harmless until they stack up. Then, the change in tone. When requests start sounding like complaints, and complaints start sounding like character judgments. After that, the avoidance loop, where peace is being kept by not talking about anything that matters. Finally, a simple maintenance check that turns vague worry into one doable conversation. Picture Maya saying, "Look at this weird thing my coworker sent me," and Jordan saying, "Hold on," without ever coming back to it. Once is normal. 10 times becomes a message. Your little moments are not worth pausing for. The quiet sign is not that someone is busy. It is that small invitations for connection keep getting missed, ignored, or answered with the lowest possible energy. A common mistake is waiting for the big fight before taking the pattern seriously. But the earlier warning is tone. Can we clean up together? Quietly becoming, "You never help," then becoming, "You are so selfish." Maintenance starts when you move the sentence back from identity to behavior, not "You do not care, but I felt alone handling that tonight." If this is naming something you have felt but could not quite explain, send it to someone who would rather maintain a relationship than wait for it to break. Some relationships do not get louder when they need maintenance. They get quieter. You stop bringing up plans, money, intimacy, family stress, or hurt feelings because it feels easier to manage the disappointment alone. Try this test. What topic have you stopped mentioning because you already know how it will go? That topic is not gone. It is sitting in the room, charging interest. Do not start with a verdict. Start with one small question. What is one part of us that has felt harder lately, and what would make it 5% easier this week? The goal is not to solve the whole relationship in one talk. It is to notice one pattern, name one need, and agree on one behavior you can both recognize when it happens. The quiet signs are missed bids, sharper tone, avoided topics, and the feeling that you are managing distance instead of repairing it. The payoff is simple. Small maintenance early beats emergency repair later. Subscribe for more grounded relationship talks that help you name the pattern before it becomes the whole story. I am Dave. Start small, stay honest, and give the connection a little maintenance before it has to beg for it.